Well, we got another winter wonderland, and isn't she beautiful? So get back to plowing here. I'll show you how much snow we got. That kind of gives you an idea. I've kicked down to the ice rain that came first. We didn't get very much around here, but we'll get back to plowing now. Well, let my sister take over plowing. Gave her a little crash course there. Now she's doing it. Still lightly snowing and mixed precipitation. Keep going, go up there with the blade, winch up. Keep going, up, up, up. Good. Okay. Yeah, I thought she almost jammed the winch there, but that's okay. I got a winch bumper, or a winch, one of those round things there, bumper stops they call them. I should put that on too when I get a chance.